Nevertheless, Air Berlin went bankrupt in 2018. You still see planes around that have still the livery of Air Berlin on their fuselage. Here you can see an example of a plane that was spotted and I flew in during a flight from Dusseldorf to Tegel on January 2020. You see the typical red and white color. And the complete cabin was also in an Air Berlin interior. You see actually this blue and white colors is typically Air Berlin. This plane was now flying for Eurowings, so I'm really interested when that is gone. If you like this video, please like it and join my channel.